Hello everyone, welcome to SolarButterfly. We are in the film studio here, meeting with Henri Beranek, Henri Beranek from Carbonauten. A very, very exciting and interesting idea. And we thought we have the interview in English, but in German, but we also wanted to do in English to spread the word. So maybe Henri, you can tell us a little bit about what Carbonauten does.
Yeah, thank you. So nice to be here. Yeah, really looking forward to tell you what Carbonauten does. So we're the minus CO2 factory, and fact CO2 is our motto. And what we're doing actually is we're taking the carbon dioxide out of the air in cooperation with the plants that are doing the photosynthesis for us. And yeah, then we collect or extract the carbon in our pyrolytic carbonization, and then we just make products out of it. So we don't dig holes and put the carbon in and get certificates. We make products for example, polymer products, but also for construction, for agriculture purposes. So we make charcoal for animals, and also soil improver and biostimulants for better plant growing.
So what I understand is that you take your technology with the help of plants, with the help of biomass of different plants, takes carbon out of the atmosphere, puts it into your carbon coal sort of stuff, and then that replaces what would normally be used, what oil would be used in these products. So basically it has the effect of basically taking CO2 out of the atmosphere, at the same time replacing oil.
Exactly. So what we actually do is we prevent the plants, so the biomass, from rotting. And in the rotting process, all the CO2 that's
released,
stored, that's stored in the plant, gets released again back in the air, and we prevent them by producing biochar, and biochar does not rot. Biochar. Okay. Biocarbons, biochar. And when we mill it down, we get really fine, biochar powder, and then we mix it with products. So this product has 30% biochar or our biocarbons in it, and this means it replaces 30% of the fossil polymers in here, and we can go up to 50% here. And we're also making biological soil improvers for agriculture, and we also mix it for construction purposes with building materials. We can build pipes and concrete and all that stuff by using the biocarbon that we just prevented from rotting.
That's so cool. I've never heard of it before. Create products, fixing CO2 out of the atmosphere, replacing it, using it in other things, using it in concrete, fixing it, taking it out of the atmosphere, using it for our industry and for our lives, and making sure it doesn't get released again.
Yeah, and the best thing is that our product is on the same or on a cheaper level when it comes to prices. That because we believe that we have to get all people access to sustainable products. Because when sustainability stays a luxury issue and only people with enough money can buy sustainable products, then we will not get the turn and get to a sustainable economy. Because we think that people should not decide to buy the sustainable product. They just buy the product they want to have, and it should be sustainable, and it should be the cheap option, and it should be the better option.
Absolutely.
That's why we say we make products, food and energy sustainable, better and cheap.
Great. So it's actually cheaper, better, more efficient, cheaper than the products it's replacing.
Yeah.
Are you looking for people? Are you growing?
Yeah, of course. So we only have a big chance to turn the climate issue and get the turn and go to a net zero strategy if we can bind as much CO2 as possible. And for that purpose we have to grow, and we have to grow fast. And when we want to grow fast, we really need loads of good people, of motivated people, and that's going out to all of you. If you want to be a Carbonaut, and if you want to do something great for for our planet and for social and ecological systems, then please send us an application, and we need all of you, from a social media manager to a production person in our production sites all over the world. So yeah, please send your application.
Great.
Yeah.
So there you have it. Our interview meeting today, Henri from Carbonauten. They're looking for good people, so apply, reach out to him. Thank you very much for your time. You can find us again soon. We look forward to seeing you again soon on social media. You can follow us at Meet Larso or at SolarButterfly.org. Thank you very much, and see you again soon.
Yeah. Bye.